Hi everyone, this is Ma from Sparkly Belly. I've been requested to do beading and applique tutorials, and I thought it's a great idea because I've been having fun making appliques myself the last couple of weeks. So you will see some simple techniques that I found useful in decorating my belly dance costumes in the next few weeks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bead a single line. For beading a single line, you need beads of your choice. I will be using seed beads and some sequins. A little tray like this for beads makes it easier to pick up beads and keep them safe in one place. Beading thread and beading needle. Beading needles are a lot thinner than regular sewing needles because the holes of some beads, such as seed beads and bugle beads, are very small. First, I'll show you how to make a short line of beads. Thread your needle and make a knot. I like to make it double thread for extra durability. Put your needle through from below the fabric. I like to go in and out a couple times to make sure the thread doesn't slip out. Pick up some beads. Load up about 4 to 6 at a time. And place your string of beads straight against the line you want to make and put the needle through the fabric. If you want to make a short line like this is all there is to it. You can use the same technique, put sequins in the mix, and make this funky look. Or try different colors and shapes of beads. You can use short lines to make shapes or go around a stone like this to embellish the stone. This one is just a black seed bead, silver bugle bead, and another black seed bead, and I just went around the jewel. Same with this smaller rhinestone. If you want a long line of beads, follow the same steps as short line beading. Then bring your needle back up from a halfway point of the line you just created. So in this case, between third and fourth beads. Then put your needle through the last 3 beads again. This makes the last bead face the direction of the line instead of facing down the fabric. Then from here, pick up another 6 beads. Bring your needle back to the halfway point and put your needle through again. And repeat until you get the length you want. You can use this technique to create simple lines, go around a stone to frame it, or frame a rhinestone chain and add more shine to your costume. Hope this was helpful, and in the next video you will see how to create this twisty look. If you like this video, share it with your classmates and subscribe to my newsletter at sparklybelly.com. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling.